Morning to everyone. I am Chanchala Hooja from Mallareddy Medical College for Women, presenting on the topic Unleashing the Power of Human Spirits, Swami Vivekananda's philosophy on achieving optimal health and wellness. Today in the world we live, stress, anxiety and diseases are an integral part of our lives. And we strive to find a balance between physical, mental and emotional well-being. But can we just take a moment and consider the root cause of our sufferings? Can we just have a moment and consider how we will tap into our potential, how will we unlock our inner wisdom? The timeless teachings of Swami Vivekananda tell us that we have a spark of divine in us. This spark will help us to lead to our inner wisdom. This spark will help us to gain our inner knowledge, and to achieve this, to achieve ourselves, to achieve our true potential, we need to meditate, practice mindfulness, practice yoga. That will help us to achieve our true potential, unlock ourselves. Swami Vivekananda's philosophy was based on the topic of Atman or divine self. Thank you.